That's 70% on 3S. 20 miles an hour. Very busy right now, but a lot of traction. Can't oversteer it, otherwise that's wide open. 3S. Wow, that seems really fast. All right, only 36.6 miles an hour, but that is fast. I don't care who you are. For a little truck like this, it's fucking fast. Wow, that is straight and fast as heck. It seems. Oh shit, we're off the track now. All right, that is crazy fast. All right, guys. I see what you guys all been saying. That's why I got one. Thanks for all their information. I'm glad I bought one. See you soon. Bam Bam RC.